Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial for Gmail. Today I'm going to show you how to enable grammar and spell checking in emails for the Gmail account. So open the Gmail, head over to settings icon on the top right corner, press the see all settings, move down and find the grammar and spelling and hit the grammar suggestions on, spell suggestions on, and you need to press save changes after this. So this is all you need to do. I hope this guide will be helpful for you. I'm looking forward to catch you in the next videos. Thank you for watching.